Let's click on this week's folder to see what we're doing. In addition to your independent reading, your 3 activities are a News ELA article, a read aloud with some discussion questions, and a response poem to your independent reading. We've also posted our Community Kindness Challenge and our quick feedback form. Now, if you've already set up a News ELA account, you'll get this option, and it tells you that you can either read our article or choose your own article. Either way, you're going to go on to News ELA, and you should get this Doing Good During Coronavirus assignment. If you've already read that article and wish to do your own, you can go up here to News and pick your own article from the choices that come up. And remember, there's some choices over here. Prefer to do your own article, you can go up here to News at the top, and you can select your own news from the list of here. Once you've done that and you've read the article, you're going to click on the activities, which is in this upper right hand corner here, and you're going to do both the write and the quiz. You're also welcome to do power words. That's great practice, but not required. If you haven't yet signed up for a News ELA account, or at least not signed up for one under your actual name, then you're going to get these directions which tell you how to set up the News ELA account, and then below that are the directions that we just went through about choosing your article. So sign up for an account if you haven't done it first. The next activity is the weekly read aloud. This week we're beginning the book Seed Folks. It's possible you read this book in elementary school, and if that's true, it's great. It's always fun to reread books, and I think you get a lot more out of them the second time. If it's new to you, that's also wonderful because it's just a very heartwarming story about community. There are 3 chapters here all in a row about 3 different characters. This is told from different points of view. And so there's a question for each chapter. What motivates the character? Why do they act the way they do? And then what are their traits? What kind of person are they? After you've listened to all 3 chapters, you're going to pick one and you're going to post a response to the questions for that character. You do that by simply writing your answer in the Write a Comment section, and then after you write the comment, you click Post. So you're going to answer 2 questions: what motivates them and what kind of character are they? You're going to make that claim about them, and then you're going to provide some evidence from the text, something that happened that made you say that, and your explanation about why that bit of the text made you make the claim about their motivation or their traits. Our third activity this week is about your independent reading. You're going to be choosing a moment from your independent reading this week that you had a strong reaction to, some moment where you said, whoa, and you're going to write a poem about your response. So you're also going to write a short paragraph explaining your response. So this activity has a lot of helpful instructions first. Ms. Renicky made this great video where she takes you step by step how to do this and does a demonstration from her own book. So you're going to choose a moment from your reading, you're going to watch the video, she's going to lead you through the steps, and she's going to help you write a poem and a paragraph. She also typed out the examples. This is the poem that she came up with, and this is the paragraph that she explains in the video. And then here's the criteria that we're looking for. Okay, so watch the video, go step by step, and then you're going to submit by just up here there'll be a button that says submit, and you can either attach a Word document, or you can copy and paste your text into the box here with your poem and paragraph, Again, this is about your reaction to something that happened in your independent reading book. This week, our community challenge is about random acts of kindness, or maybe not so random. We're asking you to do something kind for someone and then tell us what you did. You're going to do that on this Padlet. It's a hyperlink. Ms. Hirosh has gotten us started with her entry. I need to get on the ball and do mine. Also, you might want to check back on last week's Padlet because a lot of people probably added things since you were last on it. And we have lots and lots and lots of cute pets on here, and you'll want to read all about them. The last thing to do this week is the weekly feedback form. You just click on this link. It takes you to a form, and you fill in your name and just a few quick questions about how things went this week. If you had trouble with any of the activities, if you need more books, if you are just having some thoughts that you want to share, this is the place to do it. It's a great place to communicate, and I love reading these from you each week. If you have any questions or problems, please click on this little envelope and send me a message. You can send me a printed text, audio, or video message, and I'll reply, or you can send me an email. Good luck. I look forward to seeing the results of your learning this week.